Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off WhatsApp without disconnecting mobile data or Wi-Fi on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open, select I agree, then give this app these permissions. Just tap on OK. Now once you have done that, now in the search bar, just search WhatsApp. Now once you search WhatsApp, now just disable mobile data and Wi-Fi from here. Now once you disable mobile data and Wi-Fi, just go back, then enable NetGuard. Now just tap on OK. Select OK, then tap on OK. From here just scroll down and tap on NetGuard. And select unrestricted. Then go back. Now as you can see, NetGuard is enabled, and when we search WhatsApp, as you can see, we have disabled Wi-Fi and mobile data. As you can see, our smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, but our WhatsApp is disconnected from Wi-Fi and the mobile data. And this is how you can turn off WhatsApp without disconnecting the mobile data or Wi-Fi on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.